My earring just fell off.
Me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say a word and I run through.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a tutorial on how to do the wipe it down challenge. My earring just fell off. But yeah, I'm going to teach you how to do the wipe it down challenge that you lot probably will see on TikTok. I'll show you the one that I made.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe.
But I'm going to do another one from scratch so you can see. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get going to the video. First of all, I want to talk about the setup of the camera. So it needs to face your mirror at an angle. The most important thing you need to know when making this video is that you cannot move your phone whatever you do, and everything in the background or everything in the shot should not move. Like, it cannot move, or else it wouldn't look smooth. So yeah, let me just show you how I film it. Okay guys, I'm going to leave yous in the background so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm also going to film on my phone so you can get a closer look. So first things first, get your spray and your cloth. Now I'm just going to start recording on here and you can see what I'm doing. Alright guys, so now I'm in shot, I think. What I'm going to do first is I want the cloth to fully cover my face in the shot where you are. So I'm just going to have a feel around the mirror and obviously come back to this camera and see where exactly the cloth fully goes over my face. So that's the spot I want to keep going over. So this is the place where it covers my face. Let me try again, I don't really like that position. So now that I found my position here, what I'm going to do is, at the beginning, you have to improvise, make it look like you're staring at the mirror, you're looking at it, you spray it. And what you've got to do is basically wipe all of the spray off first before you start swiping. The reason why I'm saying this is because once you've swiped and transitioned into the next scene of where you're looking better, if there's still spray leaking around and then you go into the scene where it looks perfect and there's no spray, then you go back to the scene where it goes, when there's still spray there, like, it just doesn't look smooth. So that's why I do that. Okay guys, I changed my top because why not? So yeah, first of all, spray for the intro bit. Just try wiping all of the spray off first and then start swiping. Try to memorize the beat or how the tune goes in your head. Or what you can do is literally get a laptop or something, play that tune, or on another phone if you have another phone, play that tune and just do it in sync with that. But I'm just going off my head. First thing we're going to do is spray. I'm going to come into the shot actually, one sec. Okay, that was a flop. One sec. So once you're down here, if you start swiping up, so when it goes swipe, the first swipe, if you go up, swipe it, and when it comes to this bit, when it covers my face, I can't remember exactly where it is on here, that's where you will transition. So on this bit now, you won't see this bit, this will be the next scene. But as soon as I swipe down, I'm coming back to this scene that I am in now. So I need to change my facial expression. You can be happy, sad, shocked, whatever facial expression, just express it there. So after I do this shot, I'm gonna go into a shocked face now. So Yeah, I'm gonna try that again because my mirror was shaking. So, oh my gosh, this is so weird doing faces. Okay, I'll do that a couple times so I can get a good shot. I'm just trying to make sure it goes over my face. That's the most important thing. Okay, so now that I'm done that, I'm just gonna film me swiping. The last piece is gonna be where I just throw the cloth at the mirror. So after we do this, and then we start again. And that's about it really for the filming part. I'm just trying to do that again. Okay, I've moved that mirror too much. I hope it was helpful from you seeing it from this angle and also in this camera as well. So now I'm gonna get ready, go into my second look. Make sure you do not move this thing. You do not move it at all. You don't move anything in the background. You don't move anything that's in the shot of this. Yeah, so make sure that's still there, and I'm gonna get back to you once I'm in my final state. I'm now in my second look, so I'm gonna show you how to film the second look, and then after that we're gonna do editing. Okay guys, so now that I have done my look, I'm going to show you guys how to film the second part when it transitions into, you know, this look. So from before, we started to swipe up. So it goes swipe, swipe, swipe it, not swipe, lol, it was wipe. What am I on about? So it goes wipe, wipe, wipe it down. So when it does the third one, you're going up now. So as you're covering your face, this was in the first look. Now it transitions into this look, so you can do whatever you want to do on this look. So when it goes up like here, it will show you like me now. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know, I might like give a little wink. I'm not really good at winking, but I might wink and have a little wave for the first bit. So I start from here. I make sure it goes across my face. Hopefully that won't be my face, and then I might do like a little cheeky wink. But yeah, let's try that. So that was a flop. Oh my god. Okay, let's try again. Okay, maybe I'll not wink. I'm so bad at winking, oh my gosh. Okay. Alright guys, so I think I am satisfied with the clips that I've filmed. So now it's on to the editing, so let's get to it. There is 2 ways to do it. You can do it straight from TikTok, or you can edit it from iMovie if you have an iPhone, if you have an iMac, whatever. So in this video, I'm just going to do it on TikTok. I'll do a separate video for iMovie because that's a bit longer. So on the TikTok app, go into the search bar, type in wipe it down, go into a random video, use the sound at the bottom, say use sound, and then you go to uploads and you'll just pick out the clips that you want to use. And once you've done that, you'll be taken onto this page. Go to default, and then you can adjust your clips. So what I'm doing here is literally, I'm trying to find the point where my hand or the cloth goes over my face, because that's where I will transition to. So you'll see in a sec. Here I am rearranging again. So I'm gonna put the second scene next, and I'm looking at that point where my hand's going in the same direction and it's covering my face, so it'll be around there, and then I'm shortening it as well for when it comes back, so I'll return to the first scene. Again, with this first scene, I am going to find the point where my hand's going in the same direction from the last scene and over my face. So I'm just shortening it. But in this clip, I think I paused a bit too long, so it wouldn't flow. So that's why I'm adding it again. And you can only do it till 0.5 seconds. That's the shortest amount a clip can be. So I'm adding another one and trying to reduce it. I'm hoping it's looking smooth. If not, then you lot can probably do better than me. So I basically do this for the whole time of me editing, just finding a perfect transition moment. Most people, they only do like one transition. I do 2 transitions, so you see me look in my second look 2 times rather than 1. That's why it's a bit more complicated. If I just did 1, it will be much simpler, but you know me, I need to go all out. And yeah, that's literally it.
Wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe.
So as you can see in the first bit where I transitioned, I kind of, not lagged, but it took too long and it wasn't in time with the music. So what I'm doing right now is just finding a clip that does go in time with the music.
Wipe it down.
So guys, remember when I was saying don't move anything in the scene? As you can see, my brushes at the bottom of the video was actually moving. I think because when I was wiping, I kind of brushed past it and caused it to move, so it doesn't look smooth. So I'm just putting something on top of it so it's not that obvious. Okay guys, so that is the end of the tutorial on how to do the wipe it down that you see on TikTok. If you haven't already, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you press that bell button to be notified for when I drop another video. See you guys in the next video.